Looking for an adults-only paradise where luxury meets nature in the heart of Mexico's Riviera Maya? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Bahia Principe Luxury Sian Kaan, a resort that opened its doors in 2019 and has been turning heads ever since. This five-star property sits on an impressive 550 acres of private nature reserve, complete with jungle, lagoons, and 500 meters of pristine white sand beach. What makes this place special is how it blends eco-luxury with Mayan heritage while keeping things modern and indulgent. Think of it as your personal slice of paradise where monkeys might just photobomb your breakfast and the sound of tropical birds replaces your alarm clock. With ratings consistently hitting 8.5 to 9 out of 10 across major booking platforms, this resort has built quite a reputation for delivering serene getaways without the party resort chaos. It's part of the Bahia Principe family, a brand that's been perfecting the all-inclusive game since 1995, and this particular property represents their first luxury experience in Mexico designed from the ground up with sustainability in mind. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head at night because the accommodations here are seriously impressive. The resort features 427 suites spread across the property, and here's the thing, there are no standard rooms whatsoever. Everything starts at the junior suite level, which means you're looking at a minimum of 56 square meters of space. That's about 603 square feet for those keeping track. The entry-level junior suite garden view gives you either a king bed or two doubles, a separate living area, and a bathroom that feels like a spa with its rain shower and deep soaking tub. Your private terrace comes with a hammock, because nothing says relaxation like swaying gently while watching howler monkeys swing through the trees. Minibar gets restocked daily with premium drinks and snacks. You've got a coffee maker for those early risers, a safe for valuables, complimentary Wi-Fi that works reasonably well in most areas, air conditioning that's a lifesaver in the tropical heat, a smart TV, plush bathrobes, and even a pillow menu because apparently everyone has different pillow preferences. Butler service is available for these rooms, which adds a nice touch of personalized attention. Move up to the junior suite pool view and you get the same spacious setup but with views overlooking one of the resort's stunning pools, and some of these rooms even offer direct pool access, so you can literally roll out of bed and into the water. The junior suite sea view takes things up another notch with elevated positioning that gives you partial ocean views, perfect for those sunset moments with a cocktail in hand. If you're ready to splurge a bit, the luxury suite sea view expands to 66 square meters with a separate living and dining area, 2 full bathrooms, and a hydromassage tub that's perfect for working out the kinks after a day of beach activities. Some of these come with private plunge pools and dedicated butler service that anticipates your needs before you even realize you have them. At the top of the accommodation pyramid sits the Villa Suite, a sprawling 120 square meters or more of pure indulgence with multiple rooms, a rooftop terrace, and your own private pool. These villas can accommodate up to 4 adults and come with exclusive VIP access to certain areas of the resort. Plus, you can even arrange for a personal chef if you want to take your dining experience completely private. The design throughout all rooms emphasizes natural materials, lots of whites and warm woods with floor-to-ceiling windows that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Guest photos confirm that what you see in the official pictures is what you actually get, which is refreshing in an age where hotel marketing can sometimes oversell reality. Now let's get to one of the most important parts of any all-inclusive resort experience, the food and drinks. Bahia Principe Luxury Sian Kaan doesn't mess around in this department, offering over 10 different dining venues that cover pretty much every craving you might have. The crown jewel is Kulinarium, their fusion gourmet restaurant where the kitchen puts out dishes like lobster thermidor, wagyu beef prepared to perfection, and Mayan-inspired ceviche that showcases local flavors with a contemporary twist. They offer tasting menus that change seasonally, and on Thursday nights they host special chef's table experiences where you can watch the culinary team work their magic up close. Reservations are absolutely required here, and the dress code leans toward elegant casual, so leave the flip-flops and tank tops back in your room. El Manglar brings authentic Mexican cuisine to your table with tacos al pastor that rival anything you'd find in Mexico City, mole poblano that's rich and complex, and fresh salsas made throughout the day. This spot serves both lunch and dinner, and Friday nights feature tequila tastings where you can learn about Mexico's national spirit while sampling some premium varieties. La Paisa handles the Italian cravings with wood-fired pizzas that have that perfect char on the crust, handmade pasta that's clearly made by people who know what they're doing, and tiramisu that's worth saving room for dessert. Wednesday nights get theatrical with opera-themed dinners that add some cultural flair to your meal. The grill takes a more casual approach with excellent ribeyes, seafood platters loaded with the day's fresh catch, and lighter options like creative salads for those watching their portions. Saturday nights turn into BBQ extravaganzas with grilled specialties that fill the air with mouthwatering aromas. Mura House represents the Asian dining option with Pan-Asian fusion that includes sushi rolls crafted by skilled chefs, teppanyaki stations where the cooking becomes entertainment, and dim sum that's perfect for sharing. Monday nights offer sushi masterclasses if you want to learn some techniques to impress folks back home. Beyond the restaurants, the bar scene is equally impressive with the lobby bar serving as a sophisticated meeting point, the beach bar keeping you hydrated while you work on your tan, and swim-up bars at the pools that mean you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink. The bartenders know their craft and can whip up everything from classic cocktails to creative Mayan mules that incorporate local ingredients. Premium liquors are included in the all-inclusive package, which is a nice change from resorts that charge extra for anything beyond well drinks. Live mixology shows happen regularly, turning drink preparation into performance art. The resort uses an app and guest services for restaurant reservations, and it's highly recommended to book your spots for the a la carte restaurants early in your stay, especially during peak season when tables fill up quickly. The pool and beach situation at this resort deserves its own spotlight because it's truly exceptional. There are 4 distinct pool areas, each serving a different vibe and purpose. The main infinity pool is the showstopper, an adults-only aquatic playground spanning 1,500 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.4 meters, perfect for actual swimming rather than just standing around. The infinity edge creates that gorgeous visual effect where the water seems to blend into the horizon, and the swim-up bar means you can order another frozen margarita without ever leaving the pool. The relaxation pool lives up to its name as a quieter alternative, covering 800 square meters and enforcing a more peaceful atmosphere for those who want to float and decompress without the social energy of the main pool. Up at the spa, there's a rooftop pool that offers stunning views and a more intimate setting, while the villa guests get their own private pools that don't require sharing space with anyone. All pools operate from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. throughout the year, with complimentary towel service and attentive staff who circulate with water, fresh fruit, and cold towels to keep you comfortable. The beach is where this property really shines, with 500 meters of white sand so soft it squeaks under your feet and turquoise water so clear you can see your toes even when you're waist deep. This isn't one of those rocky beaches where you need special shoes, it's the postcard-perfect Caribbean coastline you've been dreaming about. The resort provides complimentary kayaks and paddleboards for exploring the coastline, snorkeling gear for checking out the marine life just offshore, and various non-motorized water sports that keep things active without destroying the peaceful atmosphere with jet ski noise. Beach waiters make regular rounds taking drink and snack orders so you never have to trek back to a bar, and while the palapas for shade are complimentary, you can upgrade to private cabanas for an additional fee if you want extra privacy and dedicated service. The water stays warm year-round, though it can get a bit choppy during certain seasons when the wind picks up. One thing that sets this beach apart from some other Riviera Maya properties is how well-maintained and clean it stays, with staff doing regular cleanups and the resort's commitment to zero plastic policies keeping trash to an absolute minimum. The beach is also part of a turtle protection program, so depending on when you visit, you might get to witness baby sea turtles making their way to the ocean, which is honestly one of those bucket list moments that money can't buy. When it comes to staying active and entertained, this resort offers plenty beyond just lounging by the pool, though there's absolutely nothing wrong with doing exactly that for your entire stay. The fitness center is legitimately well equipped, not one of those token hotel gyms with 3 broken treadmills and some rusty dumbbells. You'll find modern cardio equipment including Peloton bikes for those who are into cycling classes, a full range of free weights, cable machines, TRX suspension training systems, and enough space that you're not bumping into other guests during peak morning hours. The fitness center operates from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, and there's a schedule of group classes including yoga, pilates, and aqua aerobics that take advantage of the beautiful setting. Morning yoga sessions often happen on the beach or in garden pavilions where you can hear the waves and birds while you're working on your downward dog. The resort sits within that massive 550-acre private nature reserve, which means hiking trails wind through the jungle where you might spot local wildlife like coyotes, iguanas, and numerous bird species. Some trails lead to natural cenotes, those magical limestone sinkholes filled with crystal-clear freshwater that are unique to this region of Mexico. The resort offers guided nature walks if you want to learn about the ecosystem and Mayan history of the area from knowledgeable guides who can point out medicinal plants and explain the significance of various natural features. Water activities beyond the basics include organized snorkeling trips to nearby reefs where the marine life is abundant and colorful, and the resort can arrange diving excursions for certified divers who want to explore deeper waters. Each volleyball nets are set up for pickup games, and there's usually a daily activities schedule posted that includes things like Spanish lessons, dance classes teaching you salsa or bachata, and cooking demonstrations where chefs share techniques for recreating some of the resort's signature dishes. Evening entertainment runs the gamut from live music performances featuring local musicians playing everything from traditional Mexican ballads to contemporary hits, acrobatic shows that are genuinely impressive, and Mayan folklore presentations that provide cultural context to the region you're visiting. There's a disco that stays open until 2 a.m. for night owls who want to dance, though the overall vibe here skews more toward relaxation than party-hard energy. Seasonal events add special touches with elaborate New Year's galas and Dia de Muertos celebrations that embrace Mexican traditions with altars, face painting, and special menus honoring the holiday. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.